Hello HBA Beauties, today we're going to show you how to create this cute Halloween pumpkin nail design. First, grab our fine line brush and black out Gelvet art gel to outline the pumpkin and its spooky face. You can fill in some of the details with our brush. Next, you want to grab our white cocoa Gelvet artist gel to paint a melting candle on top, and for added depth, blend with a mini blender brush and black out Gelvet to create a shadow effect. Make sure you apply a coat of matte top gel on the bottom here for 30 seconds to make the surface easy to paint. To give your candle a magical touch, apply our galaxy flakes for an iridescent glow. Now, isn't that beautiful? Next, use our fine liner brush and the black out Gelvet again to outline the candle. Now continue to add a little bit more detail, and there you go. Thank you so much for watching.